A very good morning, students. Welcome to your business studies class. So as in the previous lecture, we had studied about delegation, that it is the transfer of authority from superior to subordinate with entrustment of responsibility and creation of accountability. And we had also discussed the three elements of delegation, that is authority, responsibility and accountability. In today's lecture, we would be discussing about the importance of delegation. Importance of delegation. Delegation is a key element in effective organization. How? So let's discuss these importance one by one, that is effective management, employee development, motivation of employees, facilitation of growth, basis of management hierarchy, better coordination. So let's discuss these importance one by one. First importance of delegation is effective management. So delegation of authority helps a manager to share his workload with his subordinates. By doing so, it lightens the burden of work on the top executives. Now, by passing routine or minor work to the subordinates, a manager can easily devote greater attention on important matters. Thus, he can make better use of his valuable time and ability. The manager who delegates authority can accomplish better results than the one who does not. So we can say that it helps in effective management of the organization. Next importance is employee development. Now, in delegation of authority, it is providing more opportunities to the employees to utilize their talent. It allows them to develop those necessary skills which help them to perform complex tasks. So we can say that delegation is a technique for developing better managers for future by giving them chance to use their skills, gain experience and develop themselves for higher job positions. Next importance is motivation of employees. Now, delegation is an important instrument to motivate the subordinates. When we are delegating the authority to the subordinates, in this way, basically we are encouraging them to do their jobs with greater responsibilities. It provides a feeling of status and recognition to subordinates. Their freedom and job satisfaction increases. Why? Because the authority they enjoy and the rewards they get for better performance. Responsibility for work improves, self-esteem and confidence of the employees. So we can say that delegation promotes a sense of initiative and responsibility among employees. It inspires them to work with full dedication. So we can say that delegation helps in motivating the employees. Next is facilitation of growth. Now, delegation facilitates expansion and growth of an organization by providing trained and experienced employees to take up leading positions in new ventures or projects. So, by delegating the work, we are making our employees more efficient. We are giving them chance to develop their potential, to identify their potential. We are giving them opportunities. So in this way, we are making them we are preparing them for the future. Basis of management hierarchy. Now, delegation of authority establish superior subordinate relationship, which are the basis of management hierarchy. It directs and regulates the flow of authority from top to bottom of the organization. It gives meaning and content to the managerial job, and in this way everyone knows who has to report to whom. Last importance is better coordination. The three main elements of delegation, that is authority, responsibility and accountability, helps to define powers, duties and answerability attached to the job positions in an organization. This helps to avoid overlapping of duties and duplication of efforts. And also, children, please listen carefully, it helps in developing and maintaining effective coordination amongst various departments, levels and functions of management. So in this way, we can say that delegation helps in better coordination of the organizational work. So to recapitulate, we have done today the importance of delegation, that is, it helps in effective management. then helps in employee development, it motivates the employee, it facilitates growth, it is a basis of management hierarchy, and it helps in better coordination. So I hope you understood today's topic. These are 2 questions based on the topic. Thank you so much, children.